Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Baxter County in western Fulton County in north-central Arkansas until 9 p.m. At 8:35 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near 11 miles northeast of Mountain Home, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact. Will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Vidette, Ott.